Good morning, friends. Hey, friends. Hey, it's early. I'm up early, trailing my husband to take the car to the truck to the repair shop because someone hit the truck. And guys, it was so crazy. When they hit the truck at the car was parked. The truck was parked in a parking garage. And but the people was nice enough to put the note on the car stating that they hit our vehicle. But it's just an inconvenience. You know, it's always an inconvenience too, because it's been this happened over a month ago now. It's these people that hit the vehicle. They drive a Benz, but the insurance company is almost kind of like, no disrespect, but some little old small rinky-dink insurance company that we've never even heard of. So they're you know, like for a rental car, they want you to front your money first. We've never heard of anything as such. How you hit my car, your insurance is responsible, and you, well, like, we had to send in estimates, get the truck appraised as far as how much it will cost to fix, possibly cost to fix the vehicle. And it's like, dude, wait a minute, y'all hit my vehicle. Just pay for the repairs. Then it's like, oh, well, if you guys are gonna need a rental car, then we would have to front the money, like pay for the rental car, then they will reimburse us. And I told my husband, like, never mind, I'll just get up and trail you. As far as don't even deal with that rental car stuff with them, because if it's been all of, good Lord, I mean, we've been dealing with this for over a month now, and the truck is still not even repaired, hasn't even made it to the repair shop yet, because of how your insurance company is operating business. How is it gonna be when it's time for us to get our money back? And furthermore, why do we even have to front our money? Why do we have to front our money on something that we didn't do? I don't get that. I don't get that at all. But I would just want to check in, let you guys ride with me while I go do this, and just kind of say, hey, good morning, what's going on? Or is your day off to a wonderful start? I hope it is. I know it is. God woke us up, right? God is blessing us to see a brand new day. So it's good. No matter what we're dealing with, what's on our plate, what's on the agenda, it's bright out here, guys. God is still yet in control, and He knows what's best for us. Yes, He does. And it's gonna be good. It's all good. I hope you guys are not shaking that much. Seems like when I record and I put you guys on my little base on the dashboard, sometimes it seems like when I go back and start editing these videos and looking back over them, it's a little jumpy. So I hope it's not, because the road is fine. I'm not bouncing, so I don't know. I hope it's not. I hope and pray that it's not. Okay. Okay, see, that's the only thing about trailing my husband. He forgets this jewelry. He forget that people are trailing him. He do all this Dukes of Hazzard weaving in and out and woo. Man, some of you have somebody trailing you, dude. That's the only thing. I do not like trailing my husband. I do not like trailing him. Goodness, he probably about to flip again. Instead of just riding, just rolling. Just roll. Yes, but how was Father's Day? I hope everyone had an amazing Father's Day. We had a great Father's Day. My husband enjoyed all of his gifts. He got some wonderful gifts. We try to get the girls and we try to get them things that, that nice, really nice, and things that we know he wouldn't have walked into the store to get himself. I got him a Coach, the little sling bags, almost like a little sling backpack, like small little sling backpack that the guys are wearing. So I got him one of those because by the time he carry a wallet, his eyeglass case, maybe some sunglasses sometimes, his gun, he have his pistol with him, car keys. That's just too much to be, but so he's getting to where he'll carry one of the little pouches. So I wanted to get him a few different ones. So I picked him up a new pouch, a new wallet. It was like I made it into like a 3-piece set. Of course, you had to buy it all individually from the Coach store, but it's the set that I got him was the pouch, the wallet, the eyeglass case, and it's really nice. It's really nice. So when he really liked it, and he had told Pee-wee about some cologne that he liked. One day we were all in Safari, and he was with us, and he smelled some men cologne. That must have been around Mother's Day because they was with me, and he showed it to Pee-wee, so she remembered this cologne that he liked. So she got him a bottle of cologne, and then Lex had gotten him, I think, another travel pouch, or they got the two gifts together, however they did that. And we went to brunch. He selected the brunch place he wanted to go to, and then he selected dinner. So we had a really, really good day. We were able to, he wanted to stop and do a little shopping, find a few pieces for our upcoming trip in July, where we will be going to Cabo for his 55th birthday and then our 25th wedding anniversary celebration. So it's like 2 days apart. His birthday is July 10th. Our wedding anniversary is July 12th. So we picked up some items from a men's clothing store that he kind of needed, and we did that, and then came home. But it was a full day. It was a full day. So I was tired. Let me see. So that's been about it, guys. That's been about it.